green flag.
Oh no.
There's an incident ahead.
Oh.
Car ahead. Left side, go right.
Oh.
Still there, hold your line. Clear.
That was good, that was good.
Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video, and as you can see we're here with a 2-week streak of uploading. I'm getting back at it and I want to upload every week, and as you can see I have like a new position for my cockpit as well. I moved it a bit, so maybe we need to get a little bit used to this new POV, but welcome back. And this week we are racing at Laguna Seca. One of my favorite circuits. I love it. It has some very tricky corners, a lot of high differences. By far in the top 3 of my tracks. I love it. So I really gonna enjoy the session. And the previous episode from my Zero to Hero iRating series, where I tried to improve as much of my iRating as possible, it went horrible. Like everything went wrong. A lot of crashes.
Ja joh, man. Oh no! 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 No!
Lost a lot of iRating.
Yeah, we lost a lot there. 57 iRating, which is quite a lot, so that's not good.
So let's see if today we can improve our iRating a lot. We're gonna do 2 races today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because it helps me a lot making these videos. It helps me to make racing content in real life as well. And I really appreciate your support on the last video. It was great. Great to have you guys back. And yeah, let's do the qualifying session and see how I can perform in 2 races to improve our iRating. Let's go. Okay guys, we're currently in the pits into the qualifying session. And qualifying is always very important when you have low iRating, because it's always like very chaotic in the first laps. So we're gonna lock in and I listen to your feedback. Because in my last video I said I had literally like 50 FPS, maybe 60. And look at it now, 120 FPS, which is simply lovely. So that's gonna improve our experience a lot. I've listened to your feedback of only using 80% braking force. Because I discovered when you brake over 80%, you basically use the ABS, which makes you a lot slower in iRacing. So you always gotta brake until 80% maximum, which I didn't do before. So yeah, that's gonna be a little bit hard to get used to. So which I basically did is change into the settings that my maximum braking is 80%. So yes, because I'm used to like slamming the brakes, and I can still like put maximum force in the brakes, brake 80%, and we'll make it faster. So thank you for the feedback. If you have any feedback for this video, let me know in the comments. And for now, let's not try to make the mistake here. Let's lock in and get 2 good laps in for the qualifying.
Let's go.
Okay, here comes your first time lap.
Lovely, lovely. Oh, nice. That was good. Ah, small mistake there. A little bit too much entry speed. No. Ah, come on. That's a shame.
You cut that corner and got a slow down penalty.
Ah, I got a yield. Oh, that's a shame, guys. That's a shame. The thing is, when I look at the fastest times, okay, the 1:39.6 is quite good. But in practice, I drove like a lot of 1:39s and even a few 1:38s. And when I look at, oh wow, someone drove a 1:39.0, so that's quite fast actually. So I think, of course, it's a shame and it's not good. So I really need to improve on being more focused and not make these mistakes, because it's just a shame. But I think if I look to the race pace, I'm definitely faster than a lot of them. I think the key here is going to be have a good start, maybe overtake 1 or 2 cars already. Then take it slow, don't take too much risk, but I definitely have a better race pace than most of them, because my optimum time is 1:37 as well. So yeah, let's just see. Bad qualifying, not happy with it, just made some stupid mistakes, totally my own fault. But yeah, let's just hop into the race and see how it goes. Apparently there are 3 guys behind us. That's interesting because I didn't even set a lap time. So somehow there are a lot of guys that ruined their qualifying as well. Let's focus and let's see where we can end up, guys.
Green flag, green flag.
Oh no. Good start.
Right side.
Oh, he's slow on the inside.
Still there, hold your line. You got a slow car on the right.
Still there.
Go left. Clear. There's an incident ahead.
Oh.
Car ahead. Alright. There's an incident behind. Keep to the left.
I had to let him go because I saw he was sending it on the inside. Okay, chaotic start. Wow, that was scary. Oh, that's gonna go totally wrong here with three guys going after each other. Oh, mate. Had to defend a bit there. Focus on getting a good exit.
Car right.
Don't do it, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh,
You're in fear. Still there, hold your line. Still there.
Oh wow, he spins out. Okay, that was scary. I got a feeling we're faster than the second guy. So let's see what we can do here. Oh no, there's a left car. I don't like that at all.
Big car ahead.
Oh, it's Allard. Okay, that was good. Good reaction there. Now let's get back into my focus. Okay, gotta brake more here now. Oh, not too much. Wow, that was scary. They are getting close to each other, so there is a chance one of them makes a mistake and we could take advantage of that. But we're not gonna brake too late. The car was really unstable there. The guy behind us is closing in. So let's push, but don't do this too much. I think I'm losing a lot of time in this corner. Not really fast. Oh, I hold my feet on the... fuck, man. I hold my feet on the clutch instead of the brake for some reason. Oh, no. That's a shame, that's a shame. Let's put the pressure on this guy. Oh, another back marker. Oh. Please make a mistake. Oh, I've got to go for it.
Right side.
Oh, this is
Still
not
there.
gonna end well. Oh, wow. Amazing overtake. Oh, no.
Keep to the left.
Ah, lovely racing. Nice. Let's go. In one of the most dangerous corner we overtook him. It almost... He got me back there. All right, one more lap. Come on. This third place is ours. Let's go for the podium.
Right side. Keep to the left.
No, mates. No. Oh,
Still there, hold your line.
P2.
Go left.
I knew we were gonna fight and it could be a problem. So nice defense. And let's go. We got P2, guys. Come on. Lovely. I think we either could have fight for the win if we were like a little bit more consistent and faster, but the first guy was faster. Oh, guys, P2, lovely, love it. Let's go. Let's go on to the next race. And oh, the guy said GG, was a fair battle with him. Good overtake. So yeah, GG to you too, Samuel. And was a good race. Let's hop into the next one. Okay, guys, so we're into the second qualifying session. for the second race. And wow, I'm still enjoying that first race. I think we overtook like 6 or 7 cars, maybe. I think 6, but with some lovely overtakes. A little bit of small mistakes though, especially in some specific corners, which I'll keep an eye on. But I think it was a consistent race with not that many big mistakes. We improved our iRating as well, or no, our safety rating, I mean, because we only had like a couple of tracks. So yeah, it was nice for this race because it was still tricky, like fighting in the midfield. I'm really into getting a good qualifying lap in because it's just so important and it makes life so much easier. So let's lock in. Let's get a good qualifying lap in here, and yeah, let's see what we can do. Oh no! Oh, okay. I really need to focus because this is just stupid. Okay, let's focus now.
Green, green, green.
Don't know how I'm making time up there because I missed the apex, but okay. Lost a lot of time there. It's not good. You want some time there, but don't know why I'm losing that much time there, but okay. Let's see what we get, guys. 139? I was hoping for 138, so not really happy with that. But the field is competitive. The first guy is a 137, that's nuts. But really fast. And second guy is really fast as well, so I don't think we can catch them. But you never know, maybe they make a mistake. Oh wow, someone went faster than me with like 400s. It's looking really competitive here with like a lot of people close to each other, so it's gonna be fun. Yeah, let's just see, let's hop into the race and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, we're into the second race, let's grid and let's go. I'm hyped starting from third position or fourth. So maybe we can catch the third guy on the right. And let's get some good iRating here. Oh, it's going to be really close indeed. It's going to be fun. At least we had one good qualifying lap. Still not happy with validating the first one. But yeah, let's see how it goes.
Green flag, green flag.
Yeah, we got a better start so we can catch this guy already.
Car on your left.
Oh.
Still there, hold your line. Clear.
That was good, that was good. We're driving really well actually, so let's try to stay focused and get close to these guys here. .138.2 is like a massive personal best as well, so that's great. That was better. My previous exits in this turn were bad. And you can immediately see that I'm just creating some space between the car behind me. Are you kidding me?
P1, just set the fastest lap. 37.377.
That has to be due to the slipstream, of course. Missed the apex a bit there, but it's fine. That was dumb.
Left side, clear.
That was so dumb because... okay, never mind. Let's focus. It just didn't make sense what he did there. But let's just forget it and focus.
Car on your left. Keep to the right. Keep to the right.
Let's see if we can go with him around the outside.
Keep to the right. Clear.
I was way too cautious there. Fair racing. I tried to block him, but I wasn't just that effective. But now the pressure's on him, so let's see if we can take advantage of that. Ah, my wheels came on the sand down.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1 second.
I know, mate, I'm trying. There are 3 more minutes to go into this race. They are getting close to each other, they might fight. So let's try if we can take advantage of that. Or maybe some of them will make a mistake. Oh wow, that's a big moment. Okay, this is good because it's the last lap and they're getting close to each other with slipstream. And a lot of times in the last lap they take too many risks because they want to send it and try to gain a position in the last lap. They're faster than us, but let's see if they make a big mistake or collide. That will be good. On the stair, on the stair. Ooh, he's going to send it. No, he's not. Oh, that was dumb. Yeah, it should be over now. Taking this really cautious here because I don't want to ruin the last lap. And we gotta get that iRating.
Yeah, we lost a lot there. 50 seconds. iRating.
Oh, okay, guys. P4 for now. I think it's good because we started P5. We had a great pace and we set a new PB. Of course, it was at slipstream. But I think this is a fair, fair standing because the guys in front of me were just faster, especially the first guy. I didn't even see him at one point. So yeah, we improved our iRating. I think it was a good race. Could be better, but yeah, not too many mistakes. Good for my safety rating as well, I think. So yeah, let's look at the iRating and safety rating we gained over these 2 races. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're currently in the menu, and I drove a couple of practice sessions because I always practice before races. And here we can see the results from the 2 races at Laguna. We finished 2nd in the first race and 4th in the second race. So let's look into the results. We gained 75 iRating and 0.09 safety rating. We almost got fastest lap in the session. Or yeah, almost 3/10, quite a bit off. But we had a really good average lap time. First guy was faster than us, so it was a deserved win for him. We had a really fair battle with Samuel. I love the overtake in corkscrew because it's such an iconic corner. I love to drive it. Made some mistake there too as well, but we made actually some good overtakes there. So yeah, improved our iRating. We went from, yeah, let's say 1300 to 1374. So that's good. Let's look into the second race. As you can see here, we're currently at 1460 iRating. So that's good because we had a very bad series in the last episode where we lost iRating. I know we gained iRating, and that's racing sometimes. In iRacing, of course, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. And today was a really good session, less mistakes. Maybe the track suited me better, but yeah, good for my experience. And I think I still improved because I'm still not happy with small mistakes I made during the races with the track limits, not having my focus.
Let's lock in. Let's get a good qualifying lap in here, and yeah, let's see what we can do. Oh, no. Oh, okay. I really need to focus because this is just stupid. Okay.
Not like hitting the apexes or sometimes being a bit too cautious. So we need to work on that. And if you have any feedback or tips from me as well to improve, please let me know because yeah, I want to improve, of course, every session. So yeah, let's see. We're still in D class, so let's try to get towards C class. I've heard that if you're in C class, you can drive more races and endurance races. And I'm really looking to get into endurance racing because I would love that. So if you like a video of endurance races, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, we're currently at a good safety rating as well with 2.75. So yeah, guys, I think that's it. I think it was a lovely session at Laguna Seca. Really happy with the overtakes. Yeah, it was a good session. Way better than the last one. Oh no, no! And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. It was amazing support in my last video. If you're new and you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing because it helps me a lot as a creator so I can create more content. I'm willing to drive in real life as well, and I'm currently working on a big announcement for you guys. So please follow my Instagram as well because there are a little like a sneak peek of what's going on because there will be some real life racing content soon as well. But soon I keep you updated. Over next week there will be a new iRacing video as well.
Oh my god, we're in the lead. The first time in my life we're in the lead. Amazing.
So I want to thank you guys and see you at the next video. Ciao.